Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Nova Wallet. Nova Wallet is a non-custodial mobile wallet specifically engineered for the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems with seamless support for parachains, staking, governance, and more, all in one app. You can stake DOT, KSM, and other tokens directly from the app. No middleman, no hidden fees, just direct access to blockchain staking with maximum yield. Also, you can manage assets, swap tokens, stake, participate in governance, track NFTs, and even use a DApp browser, all within one mobile interface. It adds support for Ledger and Polkadot Vault, enhancing security by keeping keys offline. It's lauded for its clean UI and ease of use. Even crypto no voices find it accessible, and the codebase is open source, meaning anyone can verify its safety. With over 80,000 active users and more than $140 billion staked, it's quickly become a leading mobile wallet in the ecosystem. Now, let's talk about the downsides. On app stores, make sure to install Nova Polkadot Wallet by Nova Kusama Technologies. Others may be unrelated and potentially unsafe. And a few users have reported rare errors like fetching token accounts issues. These seem minor but worth being aware of. So Nova Wallet shines in the Polkadot space. It combines full-feature asset management, intuitive UI, hardware wallet support, and zero-fee staking into a powerful user-friendly mobile solution. For everyday staking and governance needs, it's one of the best mobile wallets available. Just be sure you download the correct app. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.